Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling in Windows 10, so your graphics performance can improve and run smoother. Step 1. Open the search menu on your Windows 10 computer. This is the easiest way to access your system settings quickly. Step 2. Type Settings in the search bar and click on the Settings app from the results. The Settings app lets you control and customize your computer's system features. Step 3. In the Settings window, select System from the left-hand menu. The System menu contains important options for display, sound, notifications, and more. Step 4. Click on Display on the right-hand side. Display settings control your screen resolution, scaling, and graphics options. Step 5. Scroll down and click on Graphics under Related Settings. This section allows you to manage GPU preferences for different apps on your computer. Step 6. To enable hardware acceleration for a specific app, click Browse to add a desktop or Microsoft Store app. Adding an app ensures it can use your GPU for better performance. Step 7. Once the app is added, click Options next to the app in the list. This is where you can choose how your GPU interacts with the app. Step 8. Select High Performance to enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling for that application. This tells Windows to prioritize GPU resources for better speed and efficiency. Step 9. Click Save to apply the changes. After saving, your selected apps will now benefit from hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.